Get Started video for all of the SINGER M3400 series sewing machines. In this video, we'll begin with a quick overview of the machine and its main parts. Then we'll show you how to wind and insert a bobbin and how to thread the top of the machine. This will be followed by selecting stitches, sewing a buttonhole, changing presser feet, and changing needles. For more information about your machine, a full instruction manual is available on the SINGER website to view or download anytime. So now let's get started. Before threading, let's take a look at the machine's main parts. Over here is where we plug the machine in, and this switch is used to turn it on. Here is your hand wheel. The hand wheel is used to manually move the needle up and down. You want to make sure you always turn the hand wheel toward you. Here's the bobbin winding spindle and bobbin winding stopper, and we'll talk about those when it's time to wind the bobbin. This is the stitch length dial, as you can see from the diagram here, and it's used to sew your stitches shorter or longer. This is the stitch width dial, as you can see from this diagram, and this is used to sew your stitches narrower or wider. You can also use it in straight stitch mode for moving the needle position. This is your thread tension dial. Here's the carry handle, thread spool pin. This is a thread guide. This is another thread guide. And this is the bobbin winding tension disc. Here is the thread take-up lever, the thread cutter, reverse lever for sewing stitches in reverse, and here you have your stitch selector dial, and you use this to choose the stitch you want to sew. This is a thread guide just above the needle, and here's the needle. It's a needle clamp screw and needle clamp, and they together hold the needle in place. It's your presser foot and presser foot holder. And this back here is your presser foot lifter, and this is used to raise and lower your presser foot. It actually has an extra high setting for when you want to sew extra thick fabrics. Over here is your needle threader lever, and we'll talk about that when we thread the machine. And this is your buttonhole lever, and we'll talk about that and show you how that works when we make a buttonhole. This is your removable storage compartment, and when you have this on the machine, it gives you a level surface for sewing. But you can slide it off, giving you access to the free arm when you want to do things like hem trousers or sew sleeve cuffs. There's a door at the front that opens, and it gives you access to the bobbin area, and we'll talk more about that when we wind a bobbin. Your removable storage compartment has a door in the back, and when you open it, you have access to a storage area where you can keep all the accessories that came with your machine. They're handy and at your fingertips anytime you need them. Then just slide the removable storage compartment back onto the machine. For more information about your machine and its included accessories, a full instruction manual is available on the SINGER website to view or download anytime.